Hello Internet folk, hello to the Diddlerhood, and hello to fans of the basic programming language. Demo of what I have in the Tools menu so far. The Wikify Viewer menu item, the Diff Viewer menu item, and the Start Previous Version menu item. So let's go through these a little bit at a time. One at a time. Let's start with the Diff Viewer. That's something that I've talked about before. All this does is it shows us the differences between the version of helloworld.bas, in this example, the version that we're editing, compared to the previously saved version of this same program. And if we add just a few characters, we can see that the Diff Viewer shows us what's changed between the version we're editing and the version before. So let's add some more changes in here just to demonstrate what this does. Now, another way to view changes to your program is to see the differences in the results of the program being run. Now, the Start menu item under the Run menu is to run the program that we're editing at the moment, so the edited version. Now, what I've done is I've added to the Tools menu Start the Previous Version, so that way we can see what the old version of it used to do versus what the new version does. So between these three views of the source code, or three views of the program, one being the changes in the actual code itself, and then Windows to see the changes in the results of the programs. I find this is kind of helpful to figure out what's going on and what's been done and why things are working, why things may not. Now let's go and take a peek at what the Wikify Viewer does. And this isn't going to matter much with this example, so let's open up another file. Now, in this basic program, I've embedded in the basic program some TW code. In this case, instead of actually typing in data in the program, I'm saying, look, let's include right here the results of a filter. And what this does is it says, okay, well, let's go find all the tiddlers that are tagged as Mark's brother. And let's include another tiddler there called Charlie. And let's sort the results and let's join them all by a comma. Now what the Wikify Viewer does is, before we go and we run this program and get to see the results, we can look at this and figure out, well, what's actually going to get run here. And by looking at the Wikify Viewer, what the Wikify Viewer does is it takes the basic code but then converts into basic code, or what BASIC would see. It converts these transclusions or any other TiddlyWiki code into the final results that will be given to the interpreter. So in a way, there's some pre-processing going on. When we've typed our basic program, there's some processing going on that translates this program into what should be basic code that runs, translates it, and then feeds this to the interpreter. So the Wikify Viewer window is an opportunity for us to see, well, what's actually going to get run here. And this is what's going to get run. This is what's going to get run. But this is what we typed. Anyway, enough of that. Just a little video to show you what the Tools menu has so far. Cheers.